education is the movement from darkness to light.
Yeah.
And you are providing the light by providing education to the students, and in such a area, in a rural area basically, where people are actually not getting the quality education. But you have chosen this area to be your place of working, and that's really wonderful, amazing. Congratulations, ma'am, once again.
Thank you.
So now, ma'am, I just want to know from you, what is your vision exactly?
My vision is that not only to give the bookish knowledge,
Okay.
I just want to say, I want to give them exact thing, that is to become a better human being, a human resource, which will make our country or our Assam a better one. You have seen that now the society is going to which way?
Yeah.
We have seen it. I feel bad sometimes when we see the youngsters are having drugs and all whatnot, everything, unnecessary things.
Getting involved
But
in.
they are a good student.
Right.
They have learned many good things.
Exactly.
They got good results also.
Exactly.
But still after death, they are doing such so bad things you can't imagine. My vision is that to make a good human being.
Right.
Good human being, not only the knowledge with a certificate with a good result.
Okay. Great,
Ma-
great. It's
that
a great
is
thinking.
Means I want them to do something good. Sir, in our Sibsagar area,
Yeah.
there are many rehabilitation centers.
Right, right.
So my husband used to visit all this thing. There we saw so many youngsters
Yeah.
from the good families.
Right.
They are there.
Okay.
We just think
Right.
where our society is going. And even we see our, even the girls.
Right, right.
Therefore, I want to say my vision is to build children,
Children.
to build human resources.
Human resources,
Yeah,
a good
and
human being.
so that will strengthen
They
our
can
country,
contribute to
to the society.
man-making
Man-making,
and nation-building
yeah,
process.
nation building process. In future, if we try as a teacher, if we contribute this thing to our student from now onward,
Yeah.
I am sure
Confident.
that I'm sure that I will get a good. In future, we will get good person,
Right.
good human in this society.
Because the journey should go on.
Yeah,
Out
journey
of that, some students
Some-
might go
yeah.
out of track, but
Yeah.
still your journey should not stop.
Yeah.
And so I think you might be believing in the saying that if illiteracy is the poison,
Poison, yeah,
then
education is
is
the
the
antidote.
antidote. So,
Okay, I am trying best. I am trying my best, and I need the support of society also.
exactly. So while coming across certain obstacles in your life, as you have already mentioned, a lot of obstacles you have faced, and now just I want to know from you, what is exactly the driving force that is allowing you to remain motivated and into the journey with the same composure, energy and enthusiasm? So what is your driving force?
Driving force, my
Yeah.
positiveness.
Right. Good.
My driving force is my positiveness. Every time I am very positive.
Yeah.
When I first opened my school, there was nothing as negative. I didn't even thought for a minute
Right.
that there will be something negative. I was
Okay.
always positive.
Okay.
And that positiveness has brought me to this place today.
Yeah.
And I'm here today.
Okay.
Though I went through many obstacles, sometimes I didn't receive support from my not
Neighbor.
exactly my. I'm not speaking about my husband or my family.
Right.
Someone, my relatives.
Nearest and dearest
nearest,
one.
yeah. I have
Sometimes
not-
from whom you actually
Yeah,
expect.
yeah.
sometimes.
That also I didn't receive. Every time there was a negativeness in them also, even they were thinking, what she will do, she is opening a school, whether she will be able to do it or not.
Right.
It is like that.
Right.
But still, I didn't listen to all these things,
Right.
and I thought that it's okay, I will do it, and I'm here. And that is why I believe positiveness, everyone should believe in
So that's
positiveness.
what I want to know, from where you get that positivity, from where you get that positiveness. Something is behind that.
Yeah.
There is an energy. What is
Yeah.
that energy? Source of energy. That's I
That
want to know.
source of energy, I just want to tell you. That one thing is, I don't know what is there inside me. I cannot stay without doing anything.
Oh, great.
Without doing anything, okay?
Right.
So I think when my children, they were small, I was, every time I used to be busy with their studies.
Right.
And after that with my children, with my
Right.
students. And this positiveness, I don't know, that's maybe blessing of God or maybe
Right.
the blessing of my mother.
Right.
And here I want to mention one thing. When I got married to my husband,
Yeah.
he's a doctor.
Yeah.
At that time my mother told me,
Yeah.
don't try to be a doctor don't take the title of doctor
Okay.
with your husband,
Okay.
behind someone.
Okay. Okay.
You try to bring your identity
Your
by
own
your
identity.
own
Okay,
identity.
that's
And I
wonderful.
feel that is the energy which is going inside me,
Yeah.
and it is her blessing.
Your mother's blessing.
My
Very
mother's
good.
blessing. She was very
Our gratitude
yeah,
to your mother.
thank you very much. And I believe that she was the one who made me in this place.
Yeah.
She was the one.
To
I
create
feel
your
to
own
my
identity.
own identity. I struggled by myself.
Exactly.
After when she was not with me, she died in the year 2000 only, just after opening my school,
After
6 months.
you have already
So after that, something I feel that something she has
That
given
energy
to
is
that
there.
energy, it came to me.
Okay,
And
okay.
after that, I didn't stop, I didn't look back.
Right.
I was just going forward.
There is a force behind.
Force behind me, something like that. And of course, my husband, he is the one who every time we say no. After every successful man, there is a woman. There is a woman.
Yeah.
For me, after
Behind-
my success,
Behind every woman's success, there is also a man. Right.
He is my husband.
Behind
And
your success,
yeah,
there is
my
he.
husband
Yeah.
is there.
Your husband.
So I'm very thankful to him. He is always very positive. If I feel sometimes sad, he used to give me strength. Yeah, you have opened it. Don't think of this thing. Yes, this year students are less. The next year it will be more. So it should go like that.
Yeah, yeah. So one of the great source of your motivation is your mother, and secondly your husband.
My husband,
So
yeah.
we would like to talk a few words. We would like to share some memories or share something from your husband also,
Okay.
Dr.
Sure.
Munindra Kumar Bhunia.
Yeah.
So if we can have him also here.
Okay.
So now we would like to come to your school again.
Yeah.
So come back to the school. So most often it is seen that school teachers or parents also emphasize the student or their children to score more percentages. Now what is your opinion in this? Whether it is good or whether it is something you need to say something?
Yeah. Getting everyone's that is dream.
Yeah.
Parents' dream, even teachers' dream.
Right.
When we
That's
teach
what
our
I wanted to
children,
know.
when we teach our children, when they appear exam,
Right.
if they get good mark, we feel very happy.
Happy.
So, one thing I just want to request parents, not teachers. Okay,
Okay.
teachers. They know. I think
Yeah,
teachers are very. They know
To what extent
what
they should
extent they should
give them
the knowledge or what they will receive. We know the child what he will get in the exam.
right.
But I have seen the parents. Have you? I think you have also noticed some of the parents what they do if their child has received 88%. You will see the parent, mother or father, they are not feeling good.
Right.
They will just say, "Oh, it is too low.
You could have done
You
more.
could have done more." But there is a question from my side to that parents.
Right.
What was their
Percentage.
percentage at that time?
Yeah.
Okay, that is the first thing. And another thing is that marks is important, but at the same time, concept.
Yeah.
Without concept, getting 88-90% is not a result for
Right.
me.
Right.
So for me, concept is very important. Concept.
Okay.
That is why I give more importance to the concept.
Right. Right.
If concept is clear, obviously they will get good mark.
Yeah, because there
That
is
is a
also a
thing.
saying,
Yeah.
Mahatma Gandhi has rightly
Yeah.
said, by education I mean the all-round drawing out the best in child and man, body, mind and spirit.
Yeah.
So body, mind and spirit should be actually parallelly emphasized,
Yeah.
not only the percentage.
Percentage.
Because spirit should be there, the body also, the physical exercises, health,
Yeah.
health also is important.
health is
Mind
also
is, my
important.
mental health is important. So all the three things has to be equally given emphasis and that should be equally driven.
Yeah.
So
right.
that's only we can say the all-round development has happened. So otherwise only marks will also not
Marks
help
will
a
not
child
help.
in establishing himself or
Yes,
herself
yeah,
in the
yeah.
future
In
day.
future,
That's
yeah.
what you wanted to see.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Apart from scholastic, what other co-scholastic activities you have actually imparted to your student in your school?
So we have given a lot of things to not only the studies, we just try to make them what you say good in speech competition.
Okay.
I want them to stand in a platform in future.
Okay.
They will not feel any
Nervousness.
hesitation or when they will go for some speeches or their life is like this, no?
Right, right.
Because challenges are there.
Right.
They have to stand in some
Platform.
platform. They will have to speak something. So I want, I'm giving those type of education to the student.
Right.
I just keep some classes on it. Recently I am doing it.
Yeah.
That is not only in one language, I am using it in 3 languages. That
Okay.
is Assamese, Hindi and English.
Yeah.